What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here are the 8 limited run games which I bought. Yes, 8 limited run games. Jump to the unboxing table. No, I mean I'm just not going to do the unboxing table. Let me show here. Open for you. Okay. So there's a lot of games by the way inside. Let me be honest with you. Okay, the packaging is quite, let me open it. Where the packaging go? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, here are the games. Here are the games as you can see. Here are the games as you can see. Yes or no? So yeah, here are the games. Let me show you the 8 games which I bought. Um, uh, Mutant Murds. Yeah, let me jump to the unboxing table. So it will be much easier for me to show you. I gave my hand for you. So here are the 8 limited run games. Yes, the 8 limited run games I already opened from the front. So this one I bought the Mutant Mud Super Challenge. Amazing game. Super Edition Dragon Fantasy. I already won another copy. The Lone Survivor. Amazing. Stealth the Clone in the Dark. Modded Duelex. These are two different games. Okay, not the same one. Curse and Chaos. One Way Hero. The Swamper. I'm gonna play this one first. And Risks of Rain. So these are the 8 games which I bought. Risks of Rain, Swamper, One Way Hero, Crush and Chaos, Mutant Mud, and then the again you know to be the judge. Is my choice good or not? I'm a huge fan of this game. Now make sure to subscribe and then check out the links in the description box below if you wanna buy this game. Bye.